Hey everyone, it's Karen, and do you want to learn how to make up to $99 per hour or more by learning a skill that's in high demand? And best of all, you can do it for free. Then stick around, this video is for you. If you're like a lot of people, you want to earn more money, but you don't have the time or money to go back to school, and you don't want to spend more time away from your family. By becoming Google certified, you can learn a skill where you can make a great part-time income or even a full-time income from the comfort of your own home. But make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to share with you how you can take this skill and earn recurring income every single month. And it's not a way that you would have thought about. It's truly powerful. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Why do some people earn more than others? Because they have learned a high-paying skill. Like a doctor has more skills than someone working at Target, so they get paid more. The skill we are going to be learning is becoming certified with Google Ads, and you'll be surprised at how much money people are charging to place ads for people and businesses. Okay, to get certified with Google Tools with Google, you'll go to skillshop.withgoogle.com. And this is where you can become certified for completely free with Google Ads. So you're going to develop skills that you can apply right away with the e-learning courses designed by Google, product experts you can learn at your own pace, and get Google product certified. So we're going to click on Get Started. So Skillshop allows you to get certified with many major tools, and these are listed right here: Google Ads, Google for Education, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, YouTube, Google Ads Manager, Google Cloud, Waze Fundamental, Google Ad Mob, Authorized Buyers, and Android Enterprise Academy. I would recommend picking one skill and getting certified and mastering it rather than trying to learn a lot of different skills in the beginning. And becoming Google Ads certified would be a great place to start. A lot of businesses and individuals are looking for someone to run Google Ads for them, so this is a skill that is in very high demand. And again, if you pick one skill and master it, that's when you can get really good at it. So we're going to click here on Google Ads and then Google Ads certifications. And you can see the courses that you can take here and the amount of time that it'll take you: 2.6 hours, 3.7 hours. So you can go through all of these and then take the test to be certified. So I would say you could get through this in about 3 days and become Google certified. And that sure beats going back to school and paying thousands of dollars in tuition and then getting a job where you'll be away from home even more, because you can do this from home on your own schedule. Once you have Google Ads certification, you can list your services on sites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Upwork. Let's take a look at what you can earn with your Google certification by running ads for individuals and businesses. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. Let's start with Upwork and search Google Ads Manager, and you can see what people are charging. And of course, some people have been doing this for quite a while, so they're charging a lot more. And when you're just starting out, you can charge less and work your way up. But everyone has to start somewhere. But let's see what's possible here. You can see this person charges $100 an hour. They've earned over $7,000. This person charges $85 an hour, has earned over $20,000. This person charges $125 an hour, and they've earned over $40,000. So you can see that there's a lot of different price ranges here, but as you get good at this, you can definitely charge a lot of money per hour. You can definitely charge $90 to $100 or more an hour. And if we go to People Per Hour and search projects, you can see what people are paying, either by the hour or by the project. And there's a lot of money to be made. If you have this skill of running ads for businesses and people, you can see what the different prices are here: $142, $363, and again, some of these pay per hour. Google Shopping Ads help. This is another certification you can get on that same website. You can see there's a fixed price of $155. Google Ads Configuration and Tweak, $281. So again, this definitely pays very well. And Fiverr, of course, is another freelancer site where you can advertise your services. And you can see what people are charging and making here. This person makes $250. That's for 1 month management of AdWords. This person starts at $200. And you can see their basic is the setup of the Google Ads campaign and 7 days management. And then they go all the way up to $500. for 1 month, and that is actually pretty low because as you get better at this, you can charge even more than that to manage ads for 1 month. So now let's go over even more ways you can make money by becoming Google Ads certified. I'm sure you've heard of the phrase learn, do, teach. When you have a skill like running Google Ads, you can teach others how to do it as well. And a great platform to do this is Skillshare. What you can do is create a course on running Google Ads, like they have here, and earn residual income every month when people watch your course. So you'll go to skillshare.com/teach to learn how to become a teacher, which would involve creating a video course. So you'll earn royalties when people watch your course. On average, first-time teachers earn $200 their first month on Skillshare, with top teachers earning upwards of $3,000. Skillshare is a great way to share your knowledge with Google Ads and get paid every month from a course you create one time, so this will give you some recurring income. Another way to earn recurring income with the knowledge you have gained by becoming certified with Google Ads is to create a YouTube channel around these topics and teach what you have learned, as well as show results you have gotten personally from running your own ads or from running ads for clients. Don't worry, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You can do a screen share recording and you don't have to show your face at all. But of course, if you did, it would create a much greater know, like, and trust factor. So if you focus on creating videos around keywords like this, Google Ads for network marketing, which have a high search volume and a low competition, you could attract clients who want ads run for them. And I know someone who started running ads when they were in network marketing. They started running ads for people in the same business, and it turned into a 7-figure ad agency for them. This is another great keyword, over 8,000 searches a month, very low competition. And affiliate marketers do want ads run for them, as well as small business owners. So you can see this is good search volume, very low competition. Google Ads for home business is another great keyword. Google Ads for local business. Google Ads for CPA marketing. Google Ads for real estate agents. Google Ads for real estate is another great keyword. Google Ads for Airbnb business. And people who are searching these keywords are individuals or businesses who are looking for ads to be run for them. So these are people who are in your target market. Then you would have a call to action at the end of your video for a free consultation, and you could offer to run ads for free for a week, and if they like the results, they could hire you on a monthly basis to run ads for them and can get some really great results for your clients. You can charge up to $5,000 a month or more per client, so it would only take a few clients to make a full-time income. And then when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program, and you'll get paid when advertisers place ads on your videos. You know, the ones that play at the beginning, middle, and end of the videos. The creator gets paid anywhere from $3 to $30 or more per 1,000 views. And I would say a niche like ads would definitely pay higher than some of the other niches because it's very targeted. And this AdSense revenue can definitely add up. And I have friends that are making $9,000 to $12,000 a month with these ads on their videos. So definitely consider creating a YouTube channel and sharing your knowledge about Google Ads, because you can connect with your target audience and attract your ideal client, as well as making recurring income every month. So I hope you go out there and make some really good money by being certified on Google. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 8 work from home jobs that you can get started with right now. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.